Hey guys, welcome back to Engineer's Hub. Today in this video, you can learn to debug and inspect values using breakpoints in Visual Studio. So this is my crowd application project. I'm gonna show you how you can see the values of creating the product. So for that, let's go on the controller. In my case, it's product controller. So this is the controller for the create part. Here I need to add the breakpoints. And inside this, you can see we have the product. So this is the model containing the fields. We can inspect the data of these fields. We can view our values inside this context.addProduct here. So for this, inside this function, we can simply press F9, which will add the breakpoint. As you can see, this red circle is the breakpoint. And you can also enable the breakpoint by simply clicking on the leftmost side of here. Or you can simply right click and go to the breakpoints and just click on insert breakpoint. So you can do any approach. And now we can debug by moving on this part. Now you can click on debug and press start debugging. So this is my application, but since we have added the breakpoint for the create part controller, we need to click on create new. And here I'm gonna just insert the field value. Let's say I'm gonna give here value check, and also in the description I'm also gonna give some random value to quantity and price. Finally, I'm gonna give the current date. Once you click on create, this controller is called, and since we have given the breakpoint here, we can perform debug. And now you can simply press F11 key to step into the execution of this function. You can see it's proceeding inside, or you can simply click this icon. That is the step into F11. It will also step into this method, and here you can see we are on this context add product. You can just hover on it and you just need to expand this, and you can see our data here. You can see the value check for name and description which I had given, and also the value I had given for the quantity and price, and also the date. So inspecting values is essential. There may be some fields not retrieving the value while sending the data. In that case, we can find the field producing the error. So this data contains the value we have given while creating the product. So here we can see the inserted value since this product is contained inside the product model. So now I will let method to be completed. We are back to our project, and you can see our data being rendered on this form, which is due to the list part. We have used DB context here to send product field in database. Inside the DB context, we have set the DB set. In this case, the debugging was all related to view data, which we already achieved inside the create controller. You can also debug by using breakpoint with the same approach for a respective controller. So in this way, you can debug and inspect the values using breakpoints in Visual Studio for C# and .NET project. Thank you guys for watching this video.